Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Tax Accountants. In this video, I will show you how to raise a customer invoice in Intuit QuickBooks Online where you apply a discount percentage to that customer invoice. At the moment we are watching the home screen of Intuit QuickBooks Online, and to raise an invoice for our customer, assuming we have already created the customer record in the system, we need to navigate to Customers and then create the invoice. Let's navigate to Customers via the left-hand menu, Customers. Here we see a list of customers, including the customer we would like to invoice, Fred Flintstone. Let's select Fred now. In the past, we have not raised any invoices for Fred, and that is why under the transaction list there is no customer invoices displayed. Let's start this invoice by clicking on the New Transaction button in the top right hand corner and then click Invoice. Fred's default information has come through on the invoice, and this is a good time to check that it is correct. If anything is wrong, then this is the opportunity to correct it on the customer record and ensure that future invoices, as well as this one, do not have the wrong information. The service provided, in this case to Fred, was consulting work performed, and the total cost, including GST, was $1,000. Before I enter the rate, please note that there is a field drop down called Amounts Are, and this contains different values exclusive of tax, inclusive of tax, out of scope of GST. This is relevant when you are a GST registered business. In this case, we're going to enter the rate inclusive of tax, or in other words, inclusive of GST. The cost of this service was $1,000, including GST. So let's enter a rate of 1,000, and let's enter the relevant GST code, which in this case is 10%. If we work our way down the screen, we can see that the total invoice cost is $1,000, and that includes GST of $90.91. Now we want to apply a discount of 10%, so let's do that. Let's navigate to the discount percent field and enter 10 for 10%. Let's click the mouse to enter that value, and now we will see that the total invoice cost is now $900 to the customer. A discount of $90.91 has been applied, excluding GST. Including GST, the total discount is $100. On this occasion, we would like to let Fred know that we have applied a 10% discount in a message to him on the invoice, as well as the discount percent. Let's do that now. 10%. Discount applied. Now that we are happy with the invoice, we can now save this invoice in readiness to send to our customer. Let's click Save. Invoice 1023 has been generated and is ready to send to the customer. Hope that information was valuable and lets you learn how you can apply a discount on your invoice. Thanks for watching. Bye now.